What is the enterprise account? As you can see from the name itself, the enterprise account is for enterprises. It is a paid account. Using your enterprise account, you can build solution for productive use. Further, there are two types of accounts in enterprise account. First is customer account and the second is partner account. Now, what is customer account? A customer account is a global account that enables companies to host productive, business critical application with 24 by 7 support. Companies can contact SAP sales representative and opt for a configuration or tailored it to their needs. Only productive services are available. Resources are according to the purchased services. Now, what is partner account? A partner account is a global account that enables third-party company to build application and to sell them to other customers. It includes SAP application development license that enables company to get started with scenario across cloud and on-premise applications. It offers the opportunity to certify applications and receive SAP partner logo package with usage policies. SAP allows third-party company to advertise and sell application via the SAP store. Productive services along with beta services are available. Beta services are those services that are not yet launched for productive use but are given to try to some partners for the testing purpose. SAP gives resources in packages for partner account. Each package contains different type of services. Partner can purchase packages according to their needs.